Hi, today we're learning the phrase duck out of something. It means to avoid doing something. Usually, it's about leaving or skipping a task or event. Imagine you don't want to go to a meeting. You can say, I ducked out of the meeting. Duck means to move quickly or quietly away. So, duck out of means to slip away from something. You always say, duck out of plus the thing you avoid. For example, duck out of work, duck out of a party, or duck out of responsibilities. It's an informal expression. People use it when they want to sound casual. For example, she ducked out of the meeting early. Or they ducked out of the event. Remember, don't say duck out the meeting. You need the word of. Duck out of is inseparable. It's a great phrase to sound natural in English. Try to use it when talking about avoiding something. Thanks for watching. See you next time.